Hello students, we will present about scattering of light and particulate matter. In case you forgot, I am telling again, our chapter consists of 6 simple steps as you can see. One day, when we looked up at the sky, we found that the blue sky was yellow. It was because of fine dust. But we knew that fine dust would make the sky yellow, but I didn't know why. So we chose this topic to find out the cause of the impact of fine dust on our vision. Before we go into the experiment, let me just reply about the particulate matter that we are going to study. As you all know, particulate matter means small particles less than 10 micrometers. Particles measuring 0.5 micrometers in size have the greatest light scattering effect, which can also cause a decrease in vision. Here's how we do it. First, prepare an acrylic box, then put in some conditions of particulate matter that will go in. Shoot a laser in a dusty canister and measure it with the sensor and clean up the values to get the results. Some conditions were chosen under 3 conditions: the type of normal condition, humidity, and fine dust concentration. Humidity will take advantage of a variety of values, so we choose 2 kinds of fine dust, water vapor and incense. So, what we are going to show you is the process of doing experiments. Put the incense in the acrylic box. 20 minutes later, shoot a laser in an acrylic box filled with incense, then measure the experimental values using sensors. For the second experiment, we ordered ice cream because we needed dry ice. After eating ice cream quickly, fill the acrylic box with dry ice. And then, like the first experiment, we shoot the laser and then we measure the value. This is the experimental value in the first experiment. The brightness of the red laser passed though the brightness decreased by 11% and the brightness of the green laser decreased by 8%, resulting in a greater scattering of light in the green laser. This is the experimental value in the second experiment. Red laser light passing the water vapor decreased by 9% and the green laser brightness decreased by 8%, resulting in greater lighting scattering effect in green laser. Also, the difference in the scattering level of the 2 lasers is greater than the first. This shows that the shorter the wavelength of light, the better the scattering of light and the strongest scattering of light depending on the type of particle. Thank you for listening to the presentation. I enjoyed spending time with you last summer. I hope that the relations between the 2 countries will be restored and the Korea-Japan project will be connected again. And it was sad that we couldn't go to Japan either. I hope to meet you again someday. Thank you.